In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up automatic reminders in DocuSign for a document you send out for signature. To begin, open the DocuSign website and sign in to your account. Once you're in, look for the option to start a new envelope. Depending on the version you see, this may appear as Start or Send an Envelope. Select that option to begin the sending process. Next, upload the document you want to send. This is the file your recipients will review and sign, so make sure you've selected the correct version before moving forward. After the document is uploaded, add the recipients who need to sign it. Enter each person in the appropriate recipient field so DocuSign knows who should receive the envelope. After that, open Advanced Options. This is where you'll find additional sending controls, including reminders. In the Advanced Options area, locate the Reminders section and enable reminders. Turning this on allows DocuSign to automatically follow up with anyone who has not completed their signing. Now set the number of days before the first reminder is sent. This determines how long DocuSign waits before sending the first follow-up email. Then, set the number of days between subsequent reminders. This controls how often additional reminder emails go out if the document is still waiting for signature. Take a moment to review these reminder settings carefully. DocuSign allows senders to specify when the first reminder is sent and how frequently additional reminders are sent. So this is a good place to make sure the timing matches your needs and the urgency of the document. Once everything looks right, select Next to continue preparing the envelope. On the document, add the required signature fields and any other fields your recipients need to complete, such as initials, dates, or text fields. Be sure each field is assigned to the correct recipient so the signing process goes smoothly. Before sending, review the recipients and reminder settings one more time. This final check can help you avoid delays or mistakes. When you're ready, select Send. After the envelope has been sent, DocuSign will automatically send reminder emails to recipients who have not yet completed their signing, based on the schedule you selected. To keep track of progress, go to the Manage or Agreements section in DocuSign. From there, open the envelope to check its signing status and activity. This lets you monitor who has signed, who is still pending, and whether the reminders are helping move the process along. Thanks for watching.